Hey guys, how are you doing? And welcome back to another video. So today I want to thorough clean our kitchen, like for real, and more so the floor, which I'm so excited about. I want to try out a steamer and see how the floors will turn out. I'm actually so anxious about that part in today's cleaning, and as usual I will start with the dishes, which I'm glad are just a handful, then wipe the surfaces. I was actually supposed to also wipe the remove the utensils from the cabinets and wipe down each and every place, but I did not. I left that part for another day, and I really do hope you enjoy this video. By the way guys, which method do you guys use to clean your glass water bottles? Because for me, what I normally do is I just rinse it out with hot water, and thereafter use liquid soap to just shake it out, and it normally turns out clean. Because I realized that the brush, the bottle cleaner, doesn't really work. So that's the method that I use to clean my glass bottles, and it works so well. Now that I'm done with the dishes, I want to wipe down the cooker first before I wipe down the other surfaces around the kitchen. So what I want to do first is to vacuum the floor first to remove any loose dirt before I get to steaming, because our main door is the kitchen door and we leave our shoes just right outside, so sometimes it gets a little messy. So I want to take care of that first before I get to the main thing. I use this Astonish stainless steel cleaner to clean our cooker top and also the kitchen sink. It does an amazing job and it also smells so nice. So this is what I normally use to just wipe down the cooker top and the kitchen sink. So guys, this is actually the most exciting part of today's cleaning because I enjoyed doing it. Although it was a little bit hectic, I had to take short breaks in between, but I was so excited about the outcome. I've never really realized that just mopping the floors is not enough, because I was shocked at the amount of dirt the steamer cleaned. I'm not kidding, but I mopped the floors yesterday and it's like I did nothing. And as much as it was hectic, it did the job, and I'm so happy about that.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up to the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay with you.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone. 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. In the morning, I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Kept me waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning.
So guys, I'm happy, my floors are happy, and I can't wait to use the steamer all around the house. Tell me what you guys think about it, because for me, I love it so much. And we have come to the end of the video, and I'm so glad that you joined me. Thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. And if you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Phoebe Monicah, and this channel is all about home cleaning, home organization, and home decor. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly consider doing that. I will appreciate it, and I will see you in my next one. Have a great weekend.